can actually create or edit a deal directly from Outlook. You'll see here I have already input the name of the person that I want the email to go to. I will have then the sidebar pop up, which will show me their profile. And I can come down here to deals, and I can see that there is a deal directly within the profile. If I want to go ahead and create a new deal, all I have to do is select the plus button. And you'll see here, to create the deal, all I have to do is fill out fields here. I can edit the deal stage. I can also edit the associations for both the contact as well as the company here. And then I can go ahead and create the deal. And now I have created a deal. You'll see here I have my original deal that was already existing, and I now have this second deal that I have created right on top. If I select this, it's going to go ahead and take me to the deal itself, where I can then go ahead and do whatever I need to directly from the CRM.